Lots of bolt selections, washers needed to be brought here. For this job is all final tightening. Here you can't get access, so I had to use Loctite. These places needed square washers, so you don't crimp that area, and you can see the Loctites have gone. So this mounting needed a stainless steel nut and lock nuts, and that area there, all the holes had to be centered. This bracket here, this bracket had to be holed. The bottoms are a lot of hole makings. It took time, but now it's quite solid, very solid. It's not going to fall off in a rush. So look at that. And I had to get this another L plate. Multi-strut supplied me with this L plate, which is rubbish. I got this from Bunning, 300 kilo. I don't need the strength, but that was expensive, so cost some money. Now the motor mount washer had to be cut as well, because they were not fitting in this closed space here, these 3 bolts. So if I didn't do it properly, it's easy to muck it up. So